have a book recommendation for you guys. Morning guys, I'm doing a Sunday reset. Life has been crazy for the past month. I've been like everywhere, had everyone over, and I finally have some me time. I just washed my face and I'm gonna do my skincare now. I recently started using all these new products that I ordered from YesStyle. This is like my new skincare routine, so I'm gonna take you guys along with my routine. I use like a lot of different things. This is one of the creams I like to use because it has half day and night cream. Some days I like to use this emulsion because it's very watery and I like this kind of texture for summer. I think I'm gonna stick with this for today. Past month has been quite crazy. I've had a lot of family over, a lot has been happening, and then I went overseas for a wedding in Bali and Singapore. This is the Ordinary Peptide Serum. This is for my under eyes. 1 and 1. It's been a really busy month and I've been working on my podcast as well, which I keep talking about. I don't want to talk too much about it because I feel like evil eye, but it's coming. It's just a work in progress. Fun fact, when you put eye cream on, you should push inwards because this is the direction your blood flows. I'm going to be using this serum. I don't have a lot on my agenda today. I think I'm just going to take it easy. It's actually like 12 p.m. right now. I'm going to do my makeup and then we're going to go eat some breakfast. Doing my makeup's really therapeutic, I feel, because I feel like a girl and I feel pretty and cute and feminine and I just love it. I started taking care of myself and having a routine like only this year. Don't know why it took me so long. Like I had a routine before but it wasn't like that good, and then this year I really took routine to the next level. You know how much that has changed me as a person? Like I am more relaxed and chilled and I feel like I have something for me every day, just a little bit of me time. I didn't know how important it was for self-esteem and confidence building as well. When you take care of yourself, you're actually like setting standards for how you want other people to treat you. Because if you don't take care of yourself and put yourself first, like how can you expect the same of other people, you know? By the way, my style of makeup right now is Douyin style makeup, which is like Chinese TikTok, and it is so good. I realize it suits my face so much better, but it's been really hard to achieve. I like have to do so much practice, but now I'm actually good at it, where I use like this dark shadow. I'm having some ramen for lunch today. Someone said in my last video that I should probably avoid eating so much ramen, and I swear I don't normally eat this much ramen. It's just every time I vlog I happen to be eating ramen that day. I've just been taking it easy today. I went to the gym, I got ready, and then now I'm eating some lunch. I'm just gonna organize, vacuum, do a few things, clean up the room a little bit, and then make it neat and tidy. And I used to not be a neat and tidy person, but Clint has kind of brainwashed me into being neat and tidy because now when things aren't as tidy, I get a bit eye-twitchy. Which I don't know why. I used to not be like that. Like I used to not give a shit, but now I'm like, oh my god, when you have a clean space, you actually have a clean mind. And if you're super messy too, just trust me on this. Like just put one thing away every time you like leave something out, and then slowly you'll get better at it. And now I'm like, oh my god, I can't really stand it sometimes. Levels are so big now, guys. Oh, cheat the alpha cat. I got this new vanity table recently and it is my pride and joy. I'm gonna reorganize this. It's really good though. It's got all these dividers. I organized it a bit more, so I have my lips here. We've got eyeshadows, anything eye related. Then these are all of my eye tools, glue, all those accessories. I've got my mirror in here. I've got a face cream, which is my everyday one. Anyone who needs a new face cream, this one is amazing. It has a day and night cream and it's huge. I always restock this one. I'll link it down below. This is all my powder products like blushes, powders. And then in here I have, what is this? Oh, concealer, foundation, and then also a hand cream. I'm putting all of my current daily face creams here because it's just more accessible. I can just like pick it up and use it. And I love this product line. This is my new favorite product line. I'm gonna link this down below as well. And that's just a little PR card, which I don't want to throw away yet because it's so cute. I'll link my vanity down below as well because I feel like you guys are probably gonna be curious because it comes with a chair too. I love when my desk is organized. Hey, why are you leaving? Don't leave. Stay. Hey, Nubs. This is my first spawn. I have 3 cats, by the way, in case if you forgot. This is one of them. We're like best friends. Every night we snuggle and cuddle, and she always likes being around me, and she smells good. Oh no. Why was it so scary? I'm gonna do some journaling and I'll tell you guys kind of how I go about it in my process because it's very particular. I have 3 journals from this year. I find journaling very therapeutic and I've been a big journaler for like most of my life. So journaling helps me like a lot. I'll literally write like a full page of just thoughts from every few days. The reasons why I think it's super important to journal is 1, you get your thoughts out onto paper and you're not like holding them in, and I'm somebody who holds in a lot of, I think, tension and emotion, and I think it's, first of all, it's really unhealthy. Some of you guys might know I had thyroid cancer like a few years ago, and I genuinely believe that period of time in my life was because I had so much built up tension and stress inside of my body. And apparently your thyroid's like one of the first like areas that builds up stress, and also like your lower abdomen area. And so I think that was a big contributing reason, because I don't have any history in my family of having thyroid cancer, which is weird. Now I'm like extremely focused on my health because I'm like, oh my god, like your mental can impact your physical. I like to date the dates. I'll do what I'm grateful for and I'll do my affirmations. So I'll write a general like what I'm grateful for. Today I'm grateful for, and then I'll just dot them down. I'm grateful for being able to see all our family. I'm grateful for my siblings. I'm grateful for my support network. I'm grateful to be able to rest. I'm grateful I can make time for my family. I'm grateful for this apartment, and I'm grateful for abundance. That's like a solid list of things that I'm grateful for. And then normally, this is so freaking cheesy, I know, but like I like to say it out loud. And I think like it's important because you acknowledge these things, and by acknowledging it, like your mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what's not. It just knows like whatever you say is the truth. So for affirmations, I do the exact same thing, but instead I'm just like affirming things. So for example, I am an established podcaster in the making. Nothing is easy, but with some dedication, this will be easy. All my dreams come true. Whatever I put my mind to always happens. I'm incredibly smart, passionate, dedicated, and willing to learn. So like stuff like that. And I'll just be like, doo. And then afterwards I'll just write like a general reflection about my day and like what's been going on recently, how my thoughts, my feelings, get that out of my system, and then carry on. Journaling is such an integral part of my life, and I realize it has been for like ever. I just stopped doing it for a bit and I have no idea why. The amount of journals I've collected over the years, you guys don't understand. These are some of my journals from the recent years. I'm a huge journal girl, and yes, this is the Plan Brand diary. I feel so happy like reading my entry for today because it kind of reminds me of how far I've come since like my last few entries in the past couple months, because I was actually going through it. Like I was in such a bad negative headspace, and I was like, what is wrong with me? I know exactly what was wrong with me at that time now. It just feels good to be like out of that completely. But yeah, try journaling, guys. It's actually a life changer. I have a book recommendation for you guys. This is called Learning to Love Myself, and I honestly think this is a book for somebody who's gone through a breakup, but I kind of feel like I went through emotions that were similar to that. So if you read this book and you're going through relationship stuff of any kind, I think you'll feel very validated. I'm gonna say a few to you guys to affirm and also validate what you might be feeling. I will not spend one more year doing the same shit. Stop hurting yourself over people who don't care about you. If they wanted to, they would.
You can overthink yourself to death and they wouldn't care, they wouldn't even know. Move forward. If it's meant to be, it'll come back, otherwise it doesn't matter anyways. The only limitations are the ones we put on ourselves. It's okay to outgrow people, and it's okay if they outgrow you. Stop shrinking yourself to fit other people. Stop choosing what isn't choosing you. If it's not mutual, what's the point? Stop trying to make it what it used to be. The past is in the past, and let it be what it is. Let the good times be good times and let yourself move forward when it's over. Stop trying to please everyone. At the end of it all, remember this: if you ever find yourself in a place where you're truly unhappy, remember you always have the option to leave. This one is so good. I want you guys to pause the screen and just read this one. There's a book of like poems by Alex Aubrey, and I saw this on Pinterest and I was like, I really need this because I was really going through a low point, and this really helped me. I have since moved past this book though. I'm just reading fictions now, so I'm good. That was a stressful period of my life though. Oh damn, I've been watching so many documentaries recently. I'm going through like a documentary phase. My fave protein powder stuff is so good. It makes every flavor of like fruit that I put into my protein so yummy. I'm obsessed with Frisia. She's actually like, she is who I aspire to be in terms of self-assurance and confidence. It's insane. Okay, I've got my dumplings. I'm playing Frisia, and then Nubs is trying to plot her way into my closet. Nubs! Hey!
그리고 이거는 더현대 가서 내가 산 고양이 시계야. kit캣? 귀엽지 않아요? 이 속눈썹이랑 진주 목걸이랑 뭔가